Here's another immigration quick tip brought to you by Landerholm Immigration.
In immigration law, and in cases in court or in certain types of cases before the U.S. Immigration Service, your declaration can sometimes be the most important single piece of evidence that is submitted for the judge to see or for the government to look at. The declaration and how it is written, it can make the difference between winning a case and losing a case. So it is incredibly important that it be done well. The steps to best prepare your immigration declaration. The first thing you want to do is you want to meet with your lawyer and you want to understand the reasons for your declaration. You want to understand the legal requirements for the application that you're submitting, and you want to make sure that the declaration that you're writing addresses each one of those legal requirements. The second thing to do is to, as you're writing it, make sure that your humanity comes out. Immigration judges and immigration officers are reviewing cases all day, every day. They want to know why your case is compelling. They want to use this declaration to get to know you personally as a human being and not just as another one of their cases. The third thing to do is to really review everything that you have written with your attorney to make sure that it is clear, make sure it's strongly worded, and to make sure that it is a compelling declaration that will make the judge want to give you whatever relief you're seeking. The fourth thing that I always say is double check the facts in your declaration with the other things that have been submitted in your immigration case. You never want anything in your declaration that you're writing right now to contradict something that you may have said in the past or something that you may have told an immigration officer 5 years ago when you were crossing the border into the country, or whatever the case may be. If you have a past immigration record, make sure that the declaration that you're submitting now doesn't interfere or contradict unless you can explain why something has changed and it has to contradict. Talk to your lawyer if you have questions about that. Lastly, your declaration needs to be signed under penalty of perjury. So at the very end, after you've written the whole thing, just write the line, everything above is submitted under the penalty of perjury and under the laws of the United States. Then sign it in blue ink so people can see it's original, put the date on it, and then give it to your lawyer to submit with your application. One last detail is about translations. If your declaration was not written in English, it has to be translated and translated professionally. Translations are very critical, and if a word is misplaced or mistranslated, or if the meaning is lost, or if a sentence is ended up with a meaning that's confused, it can cause serious ramifications for your immigration case. So be careful, do it well, do it professionally, have a lawyer review it and really study it, and then submit that declaration and win your case.
For more information, contact Landerholm Immigration, your Bay Area immigration lawyer. Landerholm Immigration, we fight for your American dream.